Welcome back to the Hot Wheels Motor Truck Tournament. Tournament 7. Trucks up. Whoever gets the farthest will win. Trucks have to go there until races his body. And also add some obstacle courses on McDonald trucks later. After we first show the first racing trucks. Whoever gets the farthest will win. Let's go! Oscar Mayer versus Loco. Go big, go Hot Wheels. The winner is Oscar Mayer. Loco Bongo is early leading, but Oscar Mayer will lead him to beat Loco Bongo. Buns like weeds. Bone Shaker versus Duck and Roll. Go big, go Hot Wheels. The winner is Duck and Roll. And I thought Bone Shaker won because it looks like he did win. But Duck and Roll released the end. Watch out, water's coming for you. Demo Derby versus Buzz Lightyear. Go big, go Hot Wheels. The winner is now Demo Derby. I thought Buzz Lightyear was gonna win. And Demo Derby passes him to the win. Drive it like you stole it. Zarg versus Power Smasher Bone Shaker. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Wait, let me fix that first. Oh, okay, I can't fix my. Okay. Fixing the decisions. Go big, go Hot Wheels. The winner is Zerg Lightyear. Also, I thought this guy was one, but he actually won before him.
Did you see that girl?
That was Princess Anana. Totally fine.
Beating Buzz to the finish line.
No.
Why? Because she's royalty. You're a fake man.
So she's engaged.
I find it hard
Pew!
Everybody else is
Semi-finals. Oscar Mayer versus Duck and Roll. Let me say this again, so you will be scared. Again. My lunch is wings. I ain't scared anymore, and you're not gonna eat me anymore. We'll see about that. Coward. Hey, I'm not a coward. I just backed up. Okay. Let me do this.
Did I do something to offend you?
True success story.
My lord, the princess wishes to
Go
see
big and go Hot
What
Wheels.
about my friend? Can the two of us come? What kind of
The three of us are like a pair.
And the winner is Duck and Roll.
follow me.
And Duck and Roll was right that Oscar Mayer would be scared. Hey, I'm not scared. I just got faster than me. You're scared. No, I'm.
Unit.
Mm,
I'm ready for the unit. Well, they cut out your test.
mm.
Always keep buying close advantage.
Demo Derby versus Zerg.
Can I ask you?
Okay, did you just beat my son? He ain't your son.
No point.
He's the future you.
Wanted to know what the latest
You know what I said? He's the future you. Even though he's just the future, he's still my son. That if you lose, that means that he's not your son. If I win, if I lose, that means he is your son. Okay, I need to focus. Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Be a woman.
And Zerg has proved that Buzz is not his son. And Demo Derby proves that Buzz is not his son. Drive it like you stole it.
Painted by Fat Guy with Gay Balls.
Woo.
2 of 3. How's it going with you?
Duck and roll. Demo Derby. And I'm driving to the win to my finish line. There is no finish line. We just have to get to who's the farthest.
Slaves, what are you gonna do?
Go big. Go Hot Wheels. And the winner is Duck and Roll. The winner of Hot Wheels Monster Truck Tournament 7. Like and subscribe to Leaky Splash Games and Leaky Splash Games 2 for more Hot Wheels Monster Truck Tournament videos. And turn on the notifications so you won't miss the video. And goodbye, guys.